Alright, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to reset the tire pressure sensor in your Tesla, okay? A tire pressure sensor. Now, before resetting, I'm going to tell you something, okay? It's actually a good idea to check your tire pressure. Just ensure that all your tires are inflated to the recommended PSI, which you can find on the sticker inside the driver's door, okay? Now, hop into your Tesla and tap on the controls icon on the touchscreen. This is where all the settings you need are located, guys. So next step, guys, next thing what you want to do is go to service from the controls menu. Here you'll find a variety of options related to your vehicle's maintenance, okay? Now, this is where we actually reset the tire pressure monitoring system. So what you actually need to do, guys, right? You need to look for the reset tire pressure options in the service menu, okay? Just tap on it and your Tesla will actually begin the process of resetting the tire pressure. This may take a few moments, guys, so just be patient, okay? Now, once you have reset the sensor, you may need to actually drive. Okay, you need to drive your Tesla for a short distance, about 5 to 10 minutes for the system to recalibrate. This helps the sensors accurately read the tire pressure, guys. And after driving, what you actually want to do, guys, is that you want to check the tire pressure display on your touchscreen. It should show you the current pressure, guys. It should show you the current pressure for all four tires. And if everything looks good, guys, you're all set. And I want to give you a bonus tip before you go, guys. Look, make it a habit to regularly monitor the tire pressure through the touchscreen. Okay, this will help you maintain optimal performance and also, guys, very important, ensure your safety on the road. And that's it, guys. You have successfully reset the tire pressure sensor in your Tesla. For more tips on keeping your Tesla in tip-top shape, guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And guys, before you go, I'll need to check the link in the description for more ways to upgrade your ride even further. Until next time, make sure you subscribe so I can